Come to the page number 24. Start button. First is start button. Now we are going to see a start button. Just look at the book. See a start button. If I am clicking start button, see in a start button, access file. Now see, this is accessing file. Start menu. Okay. In the start button, just I am reading. See your books. The start button is present in the bottom left corner. See, this is the bottom left corner. Okay. Of taskbar. When you click the start button, the start menu appears. Access file in the document. See, this is access file. First one. Okay. Access picture, store the picture folder. See, this is the picture folder. Understood? This is then setting. Third one, change the setting in your computer. This is for setting in your computer. And this is for switch off. Means turning off your computer. If you click shut down, means your computer is going to be turned off. Understood? So this is called document, this is called picture, this is called setting, and this is called computer switch off or computer turn off. Okay, this is the search box. Suppose anything you want to search, then you are going to write here and search. Suppose I am searching setting. I am writing setting here. See, I am writing setting here. Setting. See setting coming. Okay, anything you want to search. Suppose MS Office. MS Office. See, Microsoft Office word is coming. Suppose I want to search Excel. EXCEL. See, Excel is coming. I want to search PowerPoint. See, PowerPoint is coming. Okay, whatever you want in the computer, you write here and search. It will come on the top. Okay, this is called search box. Middle section. Now see the middle section. This is middle section, no? This is called middle section. See, in the middle section, just I am reading. The icon of any open file folder or program will show in the middle section of a taskbar. The icon of open program is highlighted by a lighter shade with a bar below it. If you use any program regularly, you can pin it to the middle section of the taskbar. To pin a program, locate it on the list of programs. Right click on it and click to pin the start. Clicking once the icon on the taskbar will now open the program. Now see what is the meaning. Suppose any program you are searching, okay, you are suppose you are using mostly, then what you have to do, you have to right click on it. Suppose I want to pin this one. Right click on this. See, pin to you can do one thing. You click and drag it. It will come. Suppose Excel, EXCEL. We are using Excel every time, no? See here, pin to start bar. Okay, unpin from taskbar. See, right clicking on that, pin to taskbar coming, no? You can see here clearly. Suppose we are using Excel every time, EXCEL. Then what you have to do? You have to right click on Excel. First you have to write in the search box, and then it will come. Right click on that and pin to taskbar. Now see, it's coming here. See, it's coming here. See, this is Excel. If you click here, it is going to be open. Okay, so mostly whatever we are using, we are pinning in the taskbar. That is called taskbar, middle one. Okay, middle section, this one. Notification area, this is called notification area. Okay, right side, this is called notification area. Any message is there, it is going to be show here. Okay, any message, suppose networks, all setting, flight mode, everything is there in the notification area. Everything is there in the notification area. See, no, this is called notification area. Okay, moving the taskbar. Next is moving the taskbar. How to move a taskbar? Okay, now see, move the taskbar, press and hold the left key button. How to move taskbar? This taskbar we want this side. This taskbar we want this side. Then how we are going to just process the steps? You can see here. You can move the taskbar to any of the four sides of the monitor. Do this. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the taskbar. Press and hold the left key mouse button. Drag the taskbar to any sides of the desktop. Release the mouse. See. Click here and drag it and press here. Now see. Now see here. Click, hold the mouse and drag and kick that side. Click and hold the mouse and drag that side. See. What you have to do? You have to click. You have to click here, hold the mouse and press. See, coming that side. Click, hold and press. See, coming. So this taskbar is going to be placed this side also, and this side also. Understood? What you have to do? Click the mouse. Okay, in the blank area of taskbar. Clicking, hold the mouse and drag. Move your mouse. See, moving your mouse. Move your mouse. Moving your mouse. See here. What you have to do? Click, hold your mouse and drag which side you want. So this is called moving the taskbar. Now next is locking the taskbar. Locking the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar so that it doesn't move till you unlock it. Do this. Right click on the blank area of the taskbar. The menu will open. Click on lock the taskbar. Now see what to do. Why we are going to lock? Because we not want to move. Right click on that. See, lock the taskbar. See, right click on the blank area. See, lock the taskbar. Now locking. If you move now, it will not move because it is locking. And how to lock? Click on the blank area and now lock and unlock taskbar. Click on blank area. See, blank area. This is blank area, and this lock the taskbar. See clearly. Lock the taskbar. So it is locking. Again you want to unlock. See, in blank area. Click here. Click here. Right click. Unlock the taskbar. Okay, understood now? So this is called taskbar locking and unlocking. Now the next topic, changing the desktop background. Okay, now the next topic, changing the desktop and background, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, for today it's okay. Thank you.